So that's one way to take out the engine in an Evo 5.
Yeah, probably the easiest way. I mean, it's something anybody at home could easily do with just a basic Harbor Freight socket set.
Exactly.
And
a lift.
Challenger 10K lift.
And a building.
And a Robert with some giant hands.
And a Robert.
Yeah.
I'm Aaron. This is Brendan. And we just took the motor out of Andrew's awesome, I think, 98-ish Evo 5. It's going to get a built 2-liter. A bunch of cool parts, GSC valve train, head games worked head. We're going to assemble the bottom end, do a lower compression 2-liter, and it's on a Haltech, so it's going to make some jam.
Yeah, 100%.
Garrett G25, so we're going to change the turbo kit to make more power.
Yeah, out of a Garrett unit that's, now this is the modern gen version, right?
Yeah, the Gen 2.
Yeah, I can't wait to get my hands on that.
The 25-725. So we'll see if it makes 500 wheel on pump. That's the goal.
Well, I mean, it's what, rated 725 in ideal perfect conditions at crank though,
at
right?
the crank, yeah.
So yeah, I think with that guy behind that thing doing nerd stuff, I think 500
should be able to do that. The 770 tapped out about 675 on a dyno jet. So the 725, if that does 6 1/4, yeah, 500 on pump. It'll be a push, but we'll get there.
Yeah, and we're going to talk Andrew into flex fuel at some point.
Exactly.
But to do something like this in this setup and not utilize about 116 octane capable for $2 and some, especially in Tennessee, a gallon, come on. Like, you almost can't. So having lived in Japan, just like Robert that's holding the camera right now, I had an Evo 5. I wish my Evo 5 in Japan was as clean as Andrew's is. On the undercarriage of this thing, just fantastic, beautiful. The seams aren't bent over. There's not hidden rust in places. All in all, when it comes to a imported chassis, he really found the right one.
To clarify things, I did not have an Evo 5.
No, Robert didn't, but he spent an awful lot of time in Japan. How many years in Japan do you got?
9.
9 years.
I had a GTR.
You did have a GTR, and your son had an S15, and you had some cool stuff over there. Land Cruisers, diesel turbo ones. So, yeah, awesome cars in Japan. It's great seeing them here in the States. It's great that we've got, like in the case of Andrew, a great running car, right? Already on the standalone, already making good power with Evo 9 turbo, but his concern with the power plant and wanting just to start fresh with it all together, totally understand. So we sourced an Evo 8 block, sent it on off to get all the machine work done, a new forged crank for because the factory crank had an issue with it.
Yeah.
And then his Evo 5 head is actually what Head Games is going to get here soon and get porting and make that thing look right. So,
and flow.
Yeah, and flow fantastically. So stay up, keep watching us, subscribe, like. Any last words, Aaron?
Take care, everybody. Have fun.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving.